back to my channel. It's your girl Nine, everybody. My name is Naima. Everybody call me Nine for short. Some people call me Nima or as well. But I just been making some more vlogs, getting back into my channel. I just in the last video, I just did a car vlog. I'm feeling much better today. I get to lay back. I'm off of work. I'm actually watching some YouTube on my TV. I'm trying to grab that. I'm eating some candy and stuff like that. And I'm just in the house chilling. I had my water ice that I just ate. My lips a little bit. Don't mind the color of water ice candy. But I actually hold on. I should have waited to after eating that, but yeah. I have another clip on here. I'm really feeling much better today. But I'm opening up more about what goes on behind closed doors, how sometimes I feel concerning this journey of me wanting to be a mom, and just learning, not realizing, but just learning, because everybody's journey is different. Everybody had different options, and the option for me so far, like, first of all, I believe in God and I believe in Jesus, and I believe that He's gonna make a way. Now, I'm working with doctors and things like that, and working with specialists. I've been talking to them, but I've also been keeping faith and keeping prayer, because anything is liable to happen, and I always believe that, and I still do. But what the doctors are saying, basically, my journey basically is, I guess, how my body, whatever. IVF is what I have to do. And like I said in the last vlog, IVF is basically, having infertility issues. IVF is the option where they can take your own egg, or if you don't have any like that, they use another woman's egg, and they will use your partner's sperm or whatever, and they'll put it together, and they'll put it back inside, and then you become pregnant. Now, they're basically saying that I have to use a donor's egg. So that's just, it's hard, because I was born with Turner, and I can get more into that in another video. I have to add on here, because I have a video already talking about Turner and how I was born and diagnosed with that at birth, being a premature and everything like that. But as a kid, you don't worry about those things, like about, oh, I'm gonna be a mom. I mean, you do have your dreams and goals. I want to have this type of house. I want to live like this. This is what I dream of having. But so far, it's just been an emotional, and it's been a hard journey. So in the next clip, you will see me expressing. You might, you're gonna see me crying. You're gonna see I do feel better, but I'm just opening up, because this is a journey. It's hard, and I know I'm not the only woman that goes through it. It happens a lot. I see now, and it's hard, and it's very hard. And I just opening up, not only for me to get through, but just the fact that opening up to people, opening up, and just vlogging my life and the next step, and seeing my growth, and seeing me get through different things, tests and trials and things like that. But I'm not going to feel ashamed, because I shouldn't. I'm not going to doubt, because the ultimate goal is for me to be a parent, and whatever route I have to take, I have to take. If God's going to bless, He's going to bless. If my body's meant to have my own, it's going to happen. And that's why I had to woosah myself. I feel better. I'm just chilling in the house. But the next clip, you're going to see something, and it's just me opening up, just to show people, because it's not always easy, and some people probably won't want to record and show that publicly of them crying. But me, I am, because it's a raw footage, it's honesty, and it's the truth. I mean, anybody that knows me knows I'm mostly always smiling, giggly, but it's a lot of things that go behind closed doors that I don't like talking about. A lot of things that in my mind that I'm still learning to understand, and it's hard, because I also can be a little emotional, and I'm putting like my big girls and toughen up, and it's like, look, everything's gonna be okay. But this is just showing that, hey, sometimes you gotta let it out. But it's just honesty, and it shows that, hey, this is, people have feelings. People go through things. People cry. People learn, and people cry. People hurt, and things like that. And it just is a tough journey. And that's what y'all seeing out of this footage. And I just want to thank everybody for watching and continue my vlog. And catch you in the next video. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. I told you I was gonna record every bit and piece. Every bit and piece. Even the sad time. Nobody knows the pain people go through behind closed doors. Nobody knows the pain people go through behind closed doors. Nobody knows. It's just hard. Hard. I don't know no other option. What to do. Or how to feel. I'm getting through. I'm getting through. Sorry, you guys, I didn't get to record the phone consultation with the doctors, but everything good to go. With the specialist, everything good to go. I've never been through. I'm getting through. Anybody else been through this? Comment below. I have to, well, so far, it looked like the option, like for me to try to have kids, would be a donor egg. A donor egg, and I've never been through this. I don't know. I don't. It's hard. No IVF, and we're gonna eat a donor egg. And if nobody knows what IVF is, basically a procedure, and like they have to take your embryo, and take them out, fertilize them, and put them back in. Or if you don't have like an egg or whatever, then they use your partner's sperm and the egg, and they fertilize it and they put it in you so you can have a child. That's basically what it is. And what you do, to go with a donor egg. So the next step is the donor team reaching out to me. The next step, I guess, after that would be to start the medicine that I'm supposed to take, I guess. And my doctor is faxing everything over to them, to the specialist, so they can see what I really need to get done and what they haven't, what I haven't got done. And choose the donor and go from there. And then start the process of the medicine, and then going out there to get the procedure done to have a child. It's so hard. It's so hard. I mean, I was always told that I couldn't have the kid at birth due to having Turner syndrome. And I guess they call it ovarian failure or something like that. But the whole ultimate goal is to be parent. Everybody's route is different. Everybody's route is different. I'm just on my route and on my journey. I hope y'all can hear me. It's hard, and let's get through it. I'm gonna